Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated smart blenders. If you're tired of using the same old boring kitchen equipment, it's time to upgrade to a smart blender with all kinds of convenient functions that'll make your life easier. To help you narrow down the choices, here are 7 of the top blenders on the market right now. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the smart blenders that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first smart blender on our list is the Vitamix Explorer Series 310 Smart Blender, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Being the best overall smart blender, the Vitamix Explorer will forever change the way you prepare meals with its intuitive controls, exhilarating power, and durability. As for the size, this blender measures 8 by 11 by 18 inches and weighs 11.5 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 48-ounce container. This container is the perfect size for creating small family meals and fits easily under most kitchen cabinets. Specially designed tamper. Every Vitamix blender comes with a tamper designed to help process thick, stubborn blends, so you don't have to stop the machine to scrape the sides. Easy cleaning. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds. No disassembly required. High-performance motor. It has a strong motor that can mix frozen fruit, heavy powder, and all the greens into a smooth consistency. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is it's a bit bulky, so you may need to find a spacious area for this blender. The second smart blender in our list is the NutriBullet Smart Blender, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. If you want a blender at an incredible value, pick up the 9.5 by 16 by 16.7 inch NutriBullet Smart Blender. It is special for quite a few reasons. One, being that it's a highly capable, super flexible blender that does everything from simple smoothies to savory soups and beyond. This, coupled with its 10.33 pound weight, pulse feature, and aircraft-grade blades, make it an investment worth your coin. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: highly versatile. You can extract multiple servings in their 64-ounce blender pitcher or fly solo with NutriBullet cups. They've got you covered either way. Durable materials. The pitchers and cups are made from super durable, high-performance plastic. They are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe too. Speed options. NutriBullet keeps it simple with 3 power levels: low, medium, and high. Smooth batters, finely crushed ice, green smoothies, hot soup, and good grated cheese will be easy to achieve. Quiet motor. Its 1200-watt motor is quieter than that of other high-powered blenders, making it ideal for making early morning smoothies while others are still sleeping. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, although it claims to have a quiet motor, some users reported that the blender can be a bit loud sometimes, especially when you're dealing with hard ingredients. But good thing it blends food pretty well, so you won't have to use it for too long. The third smart blender in our list is the Cuisinart BFP 703BC Smart Blender, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Whether you're interested in the culinary arts, making healthier choices, or enjoying restaurant-quality smoothies at home, Cuisinart will not disappoint. It features a lot of useful advantages that are rarely found in other similar models in this price range. Besides, a large number of positive customer reviews and high ratings of this model on different e-commerce markets clearly present its dominance in the field. In terms of size, it measures 7.4 by 15.5 by 13.2 inches and weighs around 10.5 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: speed options. It has 7 different speed options, which allow you to use this blender machine as per your requirements. Stable base. The bottom of this device is wide and well balanced, allowing it to maintain stability during mixing and prevent wobbles or spills. Reliable motor. This blender is equipped with a 500-watt motor, which is fast and powerful enough to crush ice in a few seconds without adding any liquid. Easy to control. Its control panel has different options for selecting pulse, stir, chop, mix, puree, food processor, and ice crush. Anybody, no matter how inexperienced, can use it with ease. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, many people have complained that it stops working when overloaded. but this actually is a built-in safety feature. To prevent this from happening, just remember that you can put a whole lot of stuff in the blender at one time. The fourth smart blender on our list is the Breville Fresh and Furious Smart Blender, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Designed to break down tough-to-blend ingredients like leafy greens and ice cubes, the 7 by 8.5 by 17-inch blender packs 1,100 watts of power and can hold up to 50 ounces in its BPA-free Triton pitcher. This is a great option if you're looking for the functionality of a powerful blender at a moderate price point. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: multifunctional. It offers 9 task controls, including 5 variable speeds and pre-programmed speeds for crushed ice and smoothies, so you can get the exact consistency your recipe calls for. Secure operation. The lid on this blender is designed with a ring pull detail that makes it easy to remove while ensuring it stays sealed tight during operation. LCD screen. You'll surely love its LCD screen that counts down when using pre-programmed settings and counts up when you're using the speed settings. No need to mess with that pesky microwave timer. Easy to clean. Simply remove most of the ingredients from the blender walls and base, add soapy water and press the auto clean button. After that, the blender will clean itself by swirling the soapy water around to remove any remaining materials. Once it's done, just rinse and air dry. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, if you prefer to hand wash your blender, it's worth noting that this blender's blade cannot be removed from the pitcher. The fifth smart blender in our list is the Ninja Foodie Powered NutriDuo Smart Blender, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. If you're looking for a compact blender, try the Ninja Foodie Powered NutriDuo. It comes with a pair of 24-ounce personal jars with resealable lids, which you can use to make fantastic, silky single-serve smoothies or make snow-like crushed ice for frozen drinks like slushies. Measuring 6.69 by 6.69 by 10.79 inches and weighing 6.48 pounds, it takes up less space than the other and is ideal for small kitchens. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: built-in tamper. Its built-in tamper pushes ingredients toward the blades for perfect spoon-thick smoothie bowls and creamy nut butters. Powerful motor. Designed for heavy food loads, its 1200 peak watt power-dense motor maintains the high speed required to deliver uninterrupted power and performance. Hybrid edge blades. The high-grade stainless steel blades deliver better breakdown of whole fruits and veggies, nuts and seeds for smoother blends. Auto IQ technology. You can take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, some people have voiced out that's a little loud, but considering the power of this device, that's to be expected. The sixth smart blender in our list is the Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Smart Blender, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. With the ability to make everything from breakfast smoothies to multi-course dinners, this blender offers exceptional speed, power, and versatility. It is fitted with a powerful 2.2 peak horsepower motor that propels the blades at over 200 miles per hour, letting you puree sauces, heat silky soups, grind grains, and create smoothies beyond compare. As for its profile, the blender measures 7.5 by 9 by 20.25 inches and weighs 15.97 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: large capacity. The 64-ounce capacity is large enough to make large batches of soup or chocolate milkshakes for the whole family, but can still be tucked neatly under standard-sized cabinets. Variable speed option. Its infinitely variable speed control with a pulse option lets you blend ingredients to your exact preference. Highly convenient. It has 4 pre-programmed settings, including smoothie, puree, soup, and ice crush, which provide consistent professional blender results and walk-away convenience. Reliable motor. Since the #1 reason people purchase a blender is to make smoothies, it's important to get them right. Whether you prefer an icy blend or a perfectly smooth puree, nutrition packed with veggies, or a light, fruity treat, this machine gives you a delicious, even blend in every sip. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, opening the lid is difficult because it requires a little bit of strength. On the positive side, it ensures the content will not easily leak. The 7th smart blender in our list is the KitchenAid K400 Smart Blender, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. If we were judging blenders solely on aesthetics, this minimalistic and sleek blender, available in different soft shades, would be our clear winner. Adding to that, the 56-ounce glass jar is dishwasher safe, and the sturdy asymmetrical steel blades and die-cast metal motor base give this blender a high-end feel. In terms of size, it measures 9.02 by 7.59 by 15.8 inches and weighs around 12 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Tough blade. The unique asymmetric blade works with the 1.5 peak horsepower motor, creating a powerful blending vortex to power through the toughest ingredients. Versatile function. You can use the 3 preset recipe programs, Ice Crush, Icy Drinks, and Smoothie, or control the taste and texture to fit your personal preference with the 5-speed variable speed dial. Soft start feature. The motor starts at a slower speed to pull food into the blade, then quickly increases to the selected speed setting to avoid splatter. IntelliSpeed motor control. It features IntelliSpeed motor control, which senses contents and maintains the optimal speed to power through all ingredients. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the decorative base exterior is plastic, even though it appears to be metal in the pictures, so be careful how you handle it. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated smart blenders, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next smart blender roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.